Here I have TCL 306 and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, let's go to contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit its photo. You can take photo or to just select one from the gallery, as I'm going to do. Here you have to select the photo. Here you can adjust this photo, tap done and then save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.